Hello everyone, my name is Pavni Mishra and I study in class 7N and I made this informative prop on do's and don'ts on how to save earth. So first we'll go with do's. So we should use 3 R's, which is reuse, reduce and recycle. Then we should plant more and more trees. Next we should use mass transit to travel. Then we should use wind and solar energy. Now we'll go with don'ts. So first we should not cut trees. Second, we should not litter. Third, we should not burn dry leaves. And fourth, we should not burst crackers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Swasti Singh from class 6 that presenting you a poem on restoring our earth. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying and the breeze is so cool. My mother nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. But what do? We make her a mess, let's make her the best. By polluting less and less. Let's preserve our green dress for our kids and the rest. Thank you.
A lot of water we use for gardening is wasted every day. The responsible, it is the way of watering the plants. Pipes and mugs usually overwater the plants which gets evaporated. Today I, Advait Shravanka, am going to tell you a solution. Easy to make it, this requires a used cold drink bottle, pipe of old spray and waste polystyrene. What we have to do is to seal it. Then we have to fill it with funnel, keeping our finger on the pipe. Then we have to seal the cap tightly. When we open it, it automatically waters our plants on the stem, so no water gets wasted. Recycle and re-innovate waste. Plant trees, but don't waste water in their care. Wish you a very happy and prosperous Earth Day. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vedika Agrawal and I study in class 6E. Today my topic is health is wealth. Production is going down, you are making your country ground. Too much salt and sugar, too much soda and snacks. Get moving, start exercising, have a proper diet. Eat a colorful plate of vegetables and fruits. Get yourself checked today. Don't postpone it for another day. Health Nation is Wealth Nation. Be safe, be healthy. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मैं शांभवी राजपूत कक्षा 6वीं द की छात्रा आज आपके सामने पृथ्वी दिवस पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। एक दिन मिला मुझको एक कौवा, बोला जीवन बन गया है हवा। जंगल अब नहीं रह गए बाकी, सब तरफ है मिट्टी खाकी। सीमेंट के देवदार खड़े हैं, ईंटों के चिनार खड़े हैं। मिद्रा बनकर बहता पानी, पर्यावरण की खत्म कहानी। मनुष्य ने यह कार्य किया है, अपना खुद से नाश किया है। ऊंची चिमनी रोकती थमनी, सांस के साथ निकलता धुआं, जिंदगी बन गई मौत का।
I love the plant that each one gives. Save earth and save light to make our earth shine and bright. The animals and fishes at the sea. I'm a part of Mother Earth and it's of me.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dravya Arora from class 6B. Our earth is special. There is just one. It gives us water, soil and sun. People and animals share their land. Let's all lend a helping hand.
Today, Trisha Sarkar from Standard 6C is going to recite a short poem on the topic Plea to Save Our Earth by Sofia E. Wallace. The land is in the constant state of war, giving life to all who live on earth. Our carelessness and fears have taken a toll over the years. Her land is parched and scorched as man continues to light the torch. We continue a want of speed and ease, all while our pesticides kill off our bees. It's time to wake up and see Mother Earth's pain. Humanity's selfishness is becoming insane. Soon her cries will turn to gloom, and man will cause its own doom. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Akshita Parashar. My Mother Earth, you give me life. Today I say you with heart filled with love. You give us air, food and home. That's not enough. Humans scream with greedy love. You give us all unto the end. Now we appeal our lives. You defend.